guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a 40mm all-weather sterling padlock. Did have one of these protectors at the bottom, but it gets in the way while picking, so I've taken it off. It does not come with a full working key, it comes with half a key, if I can get it. And the reason there's half a key is because it was actually snapped inside the lock, and it was on one of my wife's friend's shed, so I had to get a broken key extractor, key out, pick the lock. This is a video for somebody, great buddy of mine out there on YouTube, great picker, PickME 1977. His daughter, Little Miss Pick, watched one of my videos and saw Lenny the Laser, so I thought I would dedicate this video to Little Miss Pick. I'm going to burn a match in this. I hope you like it. It does open rather quickly. It's locked up. Tension for this one, normally move the plug round a tad just so you can get the pins to bind on the shear line. This one needs that tension and a little bit more. So you're looking at sort of medium to heavy tension with this. So to the back. Picked open. Do that one more time. Locked up. Just working around the warding on it. Quicker the first time, but opens very quickly. So let's pop the lock there. So like I say, this is for you, Little Miss Pick. Lenny the Laser. There he goes. So I hope you enjoyed that, Little Miss Pick. The video was just for you. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.